With Strait of Hormuz effectively closed against amid renewed tensions between United States and Iran, Thiruvananthapuram's Vizhinjam Port has emerged as a major maritime hub as the world goes through shipping crisis. Congress leader Shashi, who represents Kerala's capital Thiruvananthapuram in Lok Sabha, sought to heap praises on the district's Vizhinjam Port on Sunday amidst report that around 100 ships are lined up at the port. 100 ships, one destination. The Strait of Hormuz crisis has shifted global shipping routes to my constituency. Thiruvananthapuram's Vizhinjam Port is currently seeking a massive surge with 100 plus vessels in queue or seeking call, Tharoor wrote on a post on X. Operated by Adani Ports and Specialized Economic Zone, Vizhinjam has rapidly emerged as a key alternative hub as congestions and uncertainty hit traditional route. Calling it India's transshipment answer to the world, Tharoor pointed to the port's rapid progress from handling its 1 millionth TEU in a record time to fast-tracking Phase 2. Vizhinjam is officially India's transshipment answer, he said, recalling that the project won phase skepticism when it was first proposed. We report news now.